Speaking of children and their health, it is so important to take your kids to get a back-to-school checkup. Here's more from Community Health Network.
Well, it is time for back to school, but have your kiddos gotten their well visit yet? Well, Dr. Jackson, thank you so much for joining us to talk more about this.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
So why is it so important to make sure that your kids do get a well visit before going back to school?
It is so important to have that well visit because we really want to make sure that everything's in order for them going back to school. It's a good time to just start thinking about getting them back into the schedule. Schedules have been lax over the summer. Kids are just kind of, hanging out. Their sleep schedules have been off. And so making that back to school visit just kind of is a way to get everything in order. We want to make sure that they have their immunizations. Their immunizations should be up to date before they start school. A lot of schools are going to be a lot stricter, with everything that's been going on. They want to make sure that kids are up to date on their shots and that they're healthy. If they're not up to date on their shots, they may actually be excluded from school sometimes. So we want to get that visit to make sure everything's okay, so parents aren't getting those calls that students need to come and have things taken care of after the fact.
Yeah, you don't want them to miss anything because they haven't been to the doctor, and you guys make it so easy for us to come and see you all. Now, some parents are like, my kid's healthy. Do I still need to have them go get a checkup? What would you say to them?
I would absolutely say they need to get their checkup, especially so when we start with the younger children, babies grow so quickly. 4 months can make a big difference in a young child's life. And so it's really important to get those checkups. You may not think there's anything wrong, but, we're checking their growth and development. We want to catch problems when they're tiny so that they don't become big problems later on. So we have the younger kids that are coming in a lot more frequently. Even once we just start seeing them for their regular checkups after that birthday, it's still important for them to come in. Sometimes, again, there are little things that parents have questions about. Sometimes it's not enough to make an appointment for, but if they're coming for their yearly checkup, they can ask about it while they're there. We talk about picky eaters. We talk about how they're growing, how their development problems with school, temperament, all those types of things. And we certainly don't want to forget about our teenagers as well, because they're starting to grow up and they can actually start having some of those adult problems early. And so if we can catch that early, tweak their diet, then that's helpful as well. So we definitely want to see kids at least once a year just to make sure everything's okay and get that, mark of good health.
Now, is there a place where we can go, and is there a wait time? How can we get our kiddo in to see one of your pediatricians?
I'm glad you asked that. We actually have we have multiple sites, and so if you go to our website, my www.mychn.org, you can find the different locations. We are really patient-centered, and we want to get patients in when you want them in as soon as possible. So we have a lot of same-day visits and next day appointments. It's best to call first thing in the morning. The sooner you call, the sooner we're able to kind of work with you and get you into the appointment that you want that works for your convenience.
Well, doctor, thank you so much for joining us. And as always, it's a pleasure having you on the show.
Thank you.